Well, I can't tell you how happy I am. It's always exciting when you cut into a fuel tank. Anyways, this is a 1,000-gallon diesel tank, and cutting into them is fun. But I got it done today, and we're on our way. I'm still alive. Here's a little view from inside the tank. This is going to be a future barbecue. 1,000-gallon. I'm almost standing up. And I'm standing up right now with my head tilted. But that's it. It was exciting. You never know when you're gonna blow yourself up, and you don't know if you did it right until you do it, and then it's too late. If you're wrong, it's too late. All right, guys, see ya.
Hey guys, well, I don't know where I left off. I think I left off, I was about to cut into the tank, or I was airing it out, but the 1,000-gallon diesel tank has been cut open. What I did was pump it full of CO2 or exhaust from my car through that pipe there, and let it run for about an hour, and then I proceeded to cutting, and everything went well. I'm still here. Didn't blow up, which is good. And so I cut the door out, and now I'm starting to install the main, I guess you call it a cam or a shaft, rotisserie shaft. This is it here. It's going through there. It's going to be attached at the ends and reinforced with bearings that hold this shaft here. That hole's getting welded up. I'm plating all this here for extra strength, and then bearings are going to be attached to that shaft, so it'll be smooth running. And then we can attach a sprocket to that and run it with a chain to a electric motor that's adjustable. But just a short video. This is where I'm at right now. I'm working at night because it was 114, 112 degrees out here today, and I did not want to be out here. So here it is. And attached to this shaft here is going to be 4 sets of racks, and it's going to rotate like a carousel. just like you see at the carnival, the carousel, it rotates. So rotating racks, 4 of them, for a ton of food. I could probably put, geez, 8 racks, but I don't need that much and I don't want to do that much work, so 4 racks is plenty. After we get the racks all built and attached, we're going to work on the firebox and probably a propane heating system just to get her heated up. It'll be a lot less to run propane than to run 100% wood. So that's where we stand. Alright guys, thanks for watching.